This is a timer based project. So basically this project works based on the intensity of light. So for capturing the light we are using LDR, and this is LCD display, and here I am giving 12 volt DC input. So this is the AC output port. So here I am using few push buttons. So this for setting seconds, minutes and hours, and this is increment and this is decrement, and this will be the reset. So if I want to set the time, I want to press the first button. So here I can able to choose the seconds, right? So I'm incrementing for 10 seconds. Yeah. Then if I press it again, so it will shows the minute. We have to set the time for minutes. So I'm setting this for 1 minute. So if I press it again, you can set the hours, right? Okay, then if I press it again, the time which I have setted is stored inside the EEPROM, right? Okay, so now I'm going to make the LDR dark so that the load will start to glow. Let us check how it's going to work. Right, I have closed the LDR so that the load turns on. So now the timer starts to run. Now the load is going to turn off. Yes. So when it's going to dark again, then the timer starts to run it again. And this is my reset button. So everything gets reset.